how to maintain good relationship with your B2B customers or business to business customers.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. So, if you're in a business where you interact and sell to other businesses, this is how you can maintain a great relationship. Oftentimes, whenever we're speaking to our business customers, we're always transacting or we're always talking business. But once in a while, especially when there's a festival coming up in your country or your region, call them for a non-business call and just wish them or establish a good connection with them. Example, there's Diwali coming up in India or there's Christmas coming up in the United States. You call your customers, your business to business customers, and be like, hey, Merry Christmas or a Happy Diwali or Happy Eid. You know, what this does is it starts establishing you and your customer as a professional friend, and they stop just thinking of you as a business partner or a business house. They start getting that personal touch with you. This will help you in maintaining a great relationship and communication in the future for a long-term business with them. So just take out a few minutes, maybe once a while, and call them for non-business calls and communicate with them like that, so they start developing professional friendship with you rather than seeing you just as another business. Much love. I'll see you all in my next video, guys.